What it do, y'all? It's your boy Beantown Spins, man. We back with another video, alright? In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all a 360 waves night method for beginners. So right before bed, just your nighttime little routine. This is all that is. If you don't know what you need to do or what you could be doing at night, I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of how you can get a little routine going for yourself. So always be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you get any value out of this video. Technically, this is like what to do after a wash and style because I did a wash and style, so you kind of getting a 2-for-1. So be sure to like it up. I did a wash and style. If you're not familiar with what a wash and style is, for any beginners out there, it's just pretty much how to wash your wigs. So if you don't know what a wash and style is, go ahead and watch one of my wash and style videos and get right. But you're just gonna wash your hair with shampoo, and I got step-by-step videos on how to do that. And if you're wondering, this specific do-rag that I got on my head from the Wave Essentials is called a mesh rag. This do-rag is specifically designed for a washing style. So I will leave all links down below in the comments to any products that I use. You see, I got the mesh rags on deck, man, all different colors. Nice do-rags for washing styles. It actually makes it a lot easier. So I definitely recommend to grab one if you can. So it's important to know when you wash your hair, you're stripping your hair of all the essential oils. So it's important to get all them oils back in there. One thing that's important to remember is that you don't really want to do anything heavy, like no pomades, no heavy gels, or anything crazy. Most likely for your night method, you're gonna get in a little session and you're most likely gonna go in just with some oil. You know what I'm saying? Never nothing crazy at night. Just you want to make sure you're doing just a nice little bit of maintenance because technically you should be doing your maintenance throughout the day or in the morning or whatever like that. But at night, you don't necessarily always have to get crazy. So at least for me, I just got my wash in, so my hair is clean, but just a little, just a little dried out. So we're just gonna liven it up. I'm going with some oil, just some basic 360 wave curl enhancer oil. So all we're gonna do is take a little bit, or you could just, you feel me, whatever you feel comfortable with. Get you a brush, you know what I'm saying? Preferably a medium brush, medium soft or medium soft. Then you just want to get a little session in after you apply that oil. Crown all out of place somewhere. We're gonna work on that. We're gonna get that crown right. Come back on it. See what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Make sure it's all smoothing out. And then my favorite part, if you don't got one of these, which this is called a lay down pad, also from the Wave Essentials. Again, I'm gonna link all products down below in the comment section. But if you don't have one of these, you can get a nice little Ziploc plastic bag and just, right after the breath session, lay your waves down. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at them waves. And you see what I'm saying? Waves looking nice and moisturized, and I ain't do nothing crazy. So then after that, just want to rag up, yo. Boom. See what I'm saying? This shit ragged up, nice and smooth. And then in the morning, your waves gonna be looking nice, fresh, soft, shiny, silky, all that, bro. And it's like, this is a nice little quick, easy little method, night method for 360 wave beginners, man. So always be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you got any value out of this video.